fabric. But I was like, well, I'm gonna use my little bit of gold that I got left. Line these up together. And this one just, it's gonna be like a little tie for my head. So just tie my hair down. I started to make me a do-rag, but I couldn't even find one to trace. So I normally have one somewhere in here that I can trace, but I don't even have it with. I don't know where it is. I should have just drew me a pattern and just uploaded it. That way, every time I need to go back to it, I can. I don't know why I ain't do that. Come on now. I need this to fit in place. I feel like it's too big. Let's bring it down just a little bit. I'm gonna pin it to the other side. Alright, little pattern and stuff. Got a little teeny space I'm working, so everything already pinned together. They're gonna be sewn together like that. Now, when I work my way around, I'm gonna have to close this because I'm working with a curve. That's how that's gonna go. Set that to the side for right now. Oh Lord, I'm so sick of this heat, child. Waiting on the fall so I can live my best life. Um, Summer don't let me do it. Just won't let me do it. Put that in there. Hopefully, it won't move too much. And that way, oh, that's the wrong way. What you doing? Girl, what you doing? Now I know this one going in the back. That's that one. And this is the Brother SQ9285. They normally have these at Wally. And this is a good one. I had this one for years. This is the other piece. I lost some cord. Yeah, okay. I should have enough thread to work. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the little notches first because I feel like it'll just be easy to close them up right quick. So I gotta sew them together like that. Oh, let me do a what you on my